What is good, you guys? I'm outside in this video today. I'm gonna be playing basketball outside in the snow. It is snowing pretty hard out. I'm not sure if you can see that with the camera. I wanted to play some basketball, but I couldn't. But you know, who cares? The snow's not gonna stop us. Almost at the courts. I doubt there's gonna be anyone there because, you know, it's freezing cold out and it's snowing.
This is actually a really cool experience. Like I said, I've never hooped in this kind of weather, so it's a bit different, but it's gonna be something that I remember for a long time. I hooped in like nearly a blizzard. Half court shot. Ooh, the switch. What a great sound.
It's so cold and snowy out. My hands are like red. I should have brought gloves.
Thanks guys for watching this whole video. I had a lot of fun making it, and I'll catch you in the next one.